Have you ever run your tongue across your teeth and felt that fuzzy, sticky film? That, my friends, is the notorious dental plaque. It's not just leftover food from your lunch, it's a bustling, microscopic city of bacteria having a party on your pearly whites. If you enjoy content that helps you connect the dots between your diet, your mouth, and your overall well-being, please consider giving this a like and subscribing for more insights. We're all about empowering you with knowledge to take control of your health, starting with your smile. When plaque isn't removed regularly, it hardens into a substance called tartar, or dental calculus. This isn't something you can simply brush away. Tartar is like plaque that went to the gym, bulked up, and put on a suit of armor. This hardened plaque irritates your gums, leading to inflammation, a condition known as gingivitis. Let's be honest, brushing and flossing can sometimes feel like a chore. At the end of a long day, the siren song of your cozy bed can be much more appealing. But skipping this crucial routine is like letting those bacterial party crashers run wild all night long. Brushing physically disrupts and removes that sticky biofilm from the surfaces of your teeth, while flossing gets into the tight spaces where your toothbrush can't reach. Think of your mouth as a delicate ecosystem. Consistent brushing and flossing help maintain a healthy balance, starving harmful bacteria and preventing them from multiplying out of control. A gentle, thorough cleaning every morning and every night is far more effective than a frantic, aggressive scrub once in a while. Consider your toothbrush and floss your primary weapons in this fight. Master the fundamentals first, and you'll be well on your way to a truly healthy smile. Ready to supercharge your oral care routine? First up is oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice involves swishing oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, pulling out bacteria from every nook and cranny. Next, we have baking soda. This common kitchen ingredient is a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains and plaque when used as a paste once or twice a week. Our third hack is diet change. Reducing sugary and starchy foods starves bad bacteria, while crunchy, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots act like natural toothbrushes. Hack number 4 is aloe vera. Known for its soothing and antibacterial properties, pure food-grade aloe vera gel can reduce inflammation and fight plaque-causing bacteria. Hack number 5 is clove oil. Used for centuries to relieve toothaches, clove oil contains eugenol, a powerful natural antiseptic that kills bacteria and freshens breath. Hack number 6 involves guava leaves. Chewing fresh leaves or using a mouthwash made from boiling them possesses strong anti-plaque and anti-inflammatory properties backed by modern science. 7th is green tea. Sipping green tea helps control bacteria and lower saliva acidity, while its catechins fight gum inflammation. Our 8th hack is staying hydrated to rinse away particles and promote saliva production. Finally, vitamin D-rich foods help your body absorb calcium, making teeth more resistant to decay. Even with diligent care, you might face stubborn tartar. Once plaque calcifies, it requires professional tools like ultrasonic scalers for safe, effective removal without harming your teeth. Attempting to scrape off tartar at home with sharp objects is incredibly dangerous and can lead to permanent damage to your enamel and gums. Researchers are exploring enzymes from fruits like papaya and pineapple that can break down the protein film plaque uses to stick to teeth, appearing in new natural toothpaste formulations. We're moving toward promoting a balanced oral ecosystem through oral probiotics, beneficial bacteria that crowd out harmful, plaque-producing strains, creating an environment where bad bacteria can't thrive. Your oral health is deeply connected to your overall systemic health. Think of your mouth as the front door to your body. Bacteria can enter your bloodstream through inflamed gums. Once in your circulatory system, oral bacteria can trigger inflammation and contribute to cardiovascular problems, including heart disease and stroke. Poor oral health is linked to difficulties managing blood sugar and diabetes, creating a vicious cycle where gum disease makes the body more insulin resistant. There are even emerging links between gum disease and cognitive decline, including increased risk for Alzheimer's disease, making oral care a fundamental pillar of overall health. The world of dental care is on the cusp of a green revolution. We're moving beyond basic fluoride toothpastes into sophisticated, science-backed natural products focused on prevention through nourishment. Imagine toothpastes with nanohydroxyapatite that actively remineralize your enamel, healing teeth from the outside in by repairing microscopic lesions before they become cavities. The future includes personalized probiotic blends tailored to individual bacterial profiles. You might take a simple saliva test that generates customized recommendations for a plaque-resistant oral ecosystem. Sustainability drives innovation with plastic-free packaging, toothpaste tablets, and products that are not only more natural and effective, but also kinder to our planet. Success isn't a frantic burst of effort. It's building small, consistent habits. Start with the fundamentals, then choose 1 or 2 natural hacks. Perhaps oil pulling while checking emails, or switching to natural toothpaste. Make your routine pleasant. Listen to music while brushing. Invest in beautiful tools you love. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. Taking control of your oral health is profoundly empowering. Your smile reflects your inner health, and these daily natural steps are an act of self-care. Take action today. Choose your first hack, recommit to your daily routine, and start your journey toward a lifetime of confidence, vitality, and many more reasons to smile. Every brushstroke is an investment in your future.